Hello, this is Matthew Fagan with my Sprint 2 update to my web application. So, my accomplishments: I've created an admin page that allows the admin to upload images to the server. The images appear in a designated folder within my program to be used later. I have implemented Molter to handle the images to be uploaded. So my child story number 1, as an admin, I want to be able to upload images to my server through the admin homepage. Acceptance criteria: the upload button pulls up files from the computer. Once the image is selected, the admin has the option to press submit button, but not before. An error message or success message is given after submitting. So let's launch my program. Alright, so let's log into my admin page. As you can see, it's a simple setup right now. So if I hit submit, no file selected. So choose a file. I'm just going to choose any old image and hit submit. So success is true and the image has been uploaded. Child story number 2. As an admin, I want the image to appear in my images folder of my program so they can be used in the movie page. Acceptance criteria: once an image is uploaded, it should appear in the images folder. The images should be formatted with a standard name at the beginning. So, as you can see, I uploaded it. So let's go into my uploads folder. And that was the image I selected. I've got a couple of them in there right now. And it has the standard my image. I'll upload another one to show you. I'll choose a file. I'll upload a red potion this time. Image uploaded. And there it is. It is appearing in my uploads folder. Took a lot longer than I expected to actually get that working. Okay. So my child story number 3, as an admin, I want Molter to handle the images for upload so that the images are put into the server smoothly. Molter is the middleware handling the images, placing them in the server, and the image is placed in the proper folder to be used by the program later. So I had planned on getting Delete up and running this week, but it took me actually quite a bit longer to get that working. I'm going to have to get a lot done next sprint. But thank you, that's been my update for sprint number 2.